2019's Pablo was in Robinson's A Locos Today for his album tour. He performed his songs Kimunoy and The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Fans even brought copies of Pablo's songs' lyrics to be able to sing along with him.
Two, three.
You see, they say there's a lot of women in this world, but don't you know that you are all that I see? Baby, what I feel when you leave, it'll be like drowning in the water, faster and after, it gets harder.
Sa tono doon. Tapos may nag-a-adlib doon, I love you Pablo daw. I love you too! Solid. Grabe, nag-practice talaga sila. Yan ang gusto ko sa mga kalabog na hatog. Thank you, maraming salamat talaga sa pagsabay sa akin sa awit. Kasi hanggang ngayon kinakabahan pa rin ako. Siyempre, first time ko dito sa na-experience niyo ba yung bata kayo? Parang ano? Yung parang kapag nakapag-break kayo dun sa jowa, parang matatapos na yung mundo. Ganun no? Ang arte! Bata pa lang, OA na eh. Tapos pinag-aalib doon, I love you Pablo daw.